I'm sorry to say this, but we're gonna have to move out of this house.
Why?
There's something going on. We're gonna have to live and survive from this. Not survive from this. The wilderness, but we'll still be around here. We might set up camp over here, but no. I don't really think that would be a good place. We could live inside of a tree, but there have been people that have been dying. And you know the guy that I gave the Lego set to? Yeah. He sadly passed away due to a wild animal attack. He got killed. Yeah. Ants are still starting to eat his body, but yeah, let's set up campus. Like, right squat down here.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to get freaking haunted.
Oh, shut up.
Okay, if we get haunted, your fault.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go and get some resources.
Yeah, okay, I'll go and, I don't know, I'll go and do something.
Yeah, or no, you can just stay here. I'll go and get some resources to build.
Okay.
So sad to see him here, lie dead, lifeless. Probably watching me right now in heaven. Here, I got a stick. In case you gotta find any wildlife.
Okay.
Not sequence here. Okay. Now that I got my stick, in case anything tries hurrying me. And, so yeah. Let's get these resources ready. Alright. Let's go and look for some stuff so we can make a house. And in case anything tries hurting me, I'll kill it. What is that? Is that a bug? An insect? A moth! I thought their species were wiped out. Well, I guess it's still possible. I guess it's still possible that there's one left. Sneaky little moth. Fly. Let's hope you don't get captured. Or eaten or killed by a bird. What are moths out in the day? Aren't they only out in the night? Well, it's probably around like, I don't know, probably like 5 or something. I don't know, I don't, no one on this earth can't even tell what time it is anymore. All clocks and everything stopped. Time just ended. Don't know what we can do to fix it. I don't really know if there is anything. Here. We got some lunch. I'll go over to Sonic. Give him a leave. I'll need to leave. Guess I'm gonna have to go vegan. I don't really want to kill any more animals. I kill animals in general. But yeah. Looks like we're gonna have to go vegan. Hey Sonic.
Yeah?
We're sorry to say this, but we're gonna have to go vegan.
Obviously.
Yeah. Okay, let's get to eating. This one's mine.
Okay. And this one's mine.
Okay, well, that was kind of a good meal.
Yeah, it honestly tasted pretty good, even without seasoning or anything.
Yeah, I know, right? It was just fresh. I mean, it's kind of good that we're gonna go vegan for the rest of our lives, cause then we can have a healthy body. Okay, I'm gonna go and look for something or stuff. I don't know. Are you still hungry, by the way?
No, I think I'll be hollow for the rest. Not tonight, but for a while.
Yeah, me too. All right, see ya. Yeah, see ya. Okay. Well, let's figure out what we can do. Honestly, I don't know what we can do. I wonder, what's the future gonna be like? Am I gonna die of starvation? Well, I don't really think I can die of starvation. Oh, hey cat. A wild black cat in its wild habitat. leaving. I don't know where it's going. To be honest, I don't really care where it's going either. We're gonna have to live here for the rest of our lives. It's gonna be so sad. Ooh, let's try and climb this. Okay, well, it doesn't really work. Okay. You know what, Sonic? You can go out. I just went out, got dinner. So yeah, I'll stay here.
Really?
I mean,
Okay, I'll go and do whatever. No, you know what? I'm not gonna go out. You can go out. You were the one who took me out when I was just sitting there.
yeah, well, you would have. No. What? Oh my God, it's a cat. We can tame it. Oh my God, it loves me. It is so adorable. It freaking loves me. It loves me. It loves me. Oh my gosh, it loves me. It loves me. It loves me. It's so amazing. I love you too. Oh my God, it's amazing. It's a miracle. It's truly a miracle. It's a friggin' miracle. It's such a miracle. It loves me. Oh my God. Oh my God, it can talk. This is amazing. I'm gonna name you. Vanilla. Okay, I guess you love that name. Okay, stop. Okay, I get it. I love you too. Here, you can stay right there. Sonic, play with them. Yeah. Okay. Where do I go? What should I do? I don't know what I could do. It's true though, but what could I do? Think, Aaron, think. Gosh, man. What could I do, man? I don't know. I mean, it's like a zombie apocalypse. Yeah. What in the world? I don't really want to do anything inside. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. I've been walking in circles for like the past hour. What do I do? There's nothing. This whole world is coming to an end. There's no possible thing that me, Ennard Stupid, can do. Besides what? Nothing. I'm just useless. I don't know what to do. What can I do, man? I'm just gonna sit here. Sonic, let's go to bed.
All right. Oh, it's so nice, man. You go away. I'll sleep right here. Looks comfortable. And it is comfortable. Comfortable.
All right, good night, Sonic.
Night, Ennard.
Good night, both of you. Good night. Night. What the hell? You're still alive?
Yes, I am.
What? Then why didn't you say anything? You were here the entire time.
Yes, I was.
Okay, here, you want to be a part of our group?
Yes, I shall. I shall sit here, sleep actually.
Alright, good night, everyone.
What will happen next on the wilderness? What will happen? To be found out in the next episode.